let me tell you something about getting older. It's real.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Today's episode of Meet the Mitchells is brought to you by the JMMB Group, banking, investments, insurance brokers, and money transfer.
JMMB and me, it has to be JMMB and me. JMMB and me, it has to be JMMB and me.
Are you different from when? No matter what, banking, investments, step on the spot, insurance broker. Don't worry about that. With JMMB, you're always on top.
JMMB and me, it has to be JMMB and me. JMMB and me, it has to be JMMB and me.
One school, nice house, new car. Save or spend conveniently near or far.
Grow your wealth, business or family.
Plan retirement with JMMB.
Like lifelong friends, JMMB has your best interest at heart. Contact a JMMB advisor today and let's take on your future together.
JMMB and me, it will always be JMMB and me.
Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. MTM family. Morning, everybody. Afternoon, good night, depending on where you are and when you are watching this. Got up early this morning and I am heading to the gym. Atlas has camp today, so I'm gonna go quickly and rush back to take him to camp. I actually have to do a couple appointments today, one of which I'm actually getting my eyes checked because I need to get my eyes tested. I've been I keep saying it, but I haven't really been to do it. So I'm really making an effort to go and get them done today. I think I need glasses, to be fair, but we'll see. We'll have a better idea by the end of today. Jax is still away and having a grand time. Haven't spoken to him, but I get to see little snippets here and there of how he's doing. He looks like he's having fun. They all look like they're having fun. And it's so funny because almost everybody I talk to, their first feedback is always, oh my God, I went and it was so amazing. And it really changed so much about my life. I made new friends, gave me so much confidence. And that's really my hope for Jackson too, that it just gives him a new experience that broadens him, especially ahead of high school. Those are memorable things that I don't think you ever forget. I never ever went to camp, but you heard Wayne in the last episode, he did, and he had a first-hand experience of how good it was. So yeah, speaking of ahead of high school, yesterday we spent the morning at school registering Jax, which was a very surreal experience because I just can't believe that he's going to high school. We just haven't many people enough to understand. We just have him the other day. I can just go back to being in the hospital with him. Like, I remember it like it was yesterday. So it's just incredible that he's off to high school. Now starts everything, like gathering books and all that stuff. School uniforms, the whole lot. And not just for him, obviously, but for all the other kiddie weeks as well. Alright, so I'm heading to the gym because working out is not just about staying strong, keeping fit. It's about the mental clarity that you get. So when you have, days ahead like this one, it's best to just knock it out the park. Let me get this done.
Hi. Hi, Ivy.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. Do you want your glasses?
Hmm?
You want your glasses?
My glasses?
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
Oh. You want your charger?
No, I'm fine. Everything charged and nice. Leave them
Want
there.
this?
My AirPods?
Yeah.
No, I'm okay.
You need them. May I open them for you?
Okay. You're too smart. Hold on, Bobby, where's mommy?
Mommy's gone home.
Huh?
Mommy's not here. Mommy is at the gym.
She's at the gym?
Yeah, and she's excited.
She's exercising.
Yeah, and she gymnastics.
Gymnastics?
Yes.
Ratted.
And she slips in.
Huh?
She slips in.
Okay. I hear you.
You want to read?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Come on. Take this off. You hear Atlas?
That's Atlas?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go check up on everybody.
What do you have?
I have Jumbilin.
Green?
MTM family, where wanna call this one to come from? Apparently different regions in the Caribbean have different names for it. But in Jamaica we call it Jumbilin. And one of the prettiest little fruits. Look there. That's the shape. Awesome. Mommy, I never come around the other side where Momo was. You never saw Mo?
Yeah, me see a driver coming out of garage like a young somebody.
Get me a young somebody.
Speed up or coming in right here.
So what is it? What you trying to suggest? I mean a young somebody?
What you trying to suggest?
I am quite a young somebody.
Mommy, what go on?
But I don't know. I mean,
What go on?
I can't see you from your comeback.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my
We're
God.
up and down.
But of course, you know I'm also entertaining
Yeah.
the Campbells.
Yes, exactly. But I'm coming down there today though.
They found this fabulous place in Portland.
Yeah.
I mean, this is nature's paradise. Believe you me.
That's true.
Yes. With cottages and so on.
So mommy, is you bring the jumble in them with there?
Yes.
Is mommy bring those too?
I do know all of them.
Come here, say. So how them they look so small?
I have a tree. No, it's a tree. My neighbor's tree, you know.
Okay.
And they the
I
fruit
just take
hangover.
up one and have it in my hand there, so.
Yeah, what you saying? Yeah, man. Yes. And then, of course, black mango. I found that source and they're lovely.
Yeah? Which part?
So, about in New Kingston.
Okay.
And I know Miss Ivy going to get into it, you know. So.
Yeah. Ivy. Grandma, big mango, you know?
Mango for you, know.
You want one?
That?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh,
I
and
want
banana.
one in
Let me
my
go for the
bowl.
bananas.
I want one in my bowl.
You want a mango in your bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Come, Miss Mo. And of course, they're so good for juicing as well. I mean, if you don't want to eat them, I mean, there are two. Oh, these are all a tree.
Okay.
You know, you have to cut back the tree, so I'm not expecting a good season this year.
Yeah.
But these fell. These are on the tree.
Okay.
So,
Mommy, what them call this?
star fruit.
Star fruit.
Or Chinese.
Yeah, them say
Jimbilin.
star fruit too, don't it?
Yeah, the star fruit. I
And-
think that's his
and
proper
then-
name. I don't think it's an agronomic name, but
Yeah. And they have jumbilin.
and Chinese, yeah, jumbilin, yeah.
Yeah.
They're very juicy. I mean, I blend this up with things like cucumber and some ginger, and make a very refreshing drink.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm not wasting the fruits at all.
Everybody I eat mango. Watch it. Look on the way name they will come.
You finish your one?
Everybody I eat mango.
No, sir.
Everybody I name the
I was just
mango.
asking for another. You don't want another one?
Tree blackie that you got in the ivy.
So she wants another one.
Oh wow.
Oh, you want one of this? This one? No, you don't like that one. Okay. You don't want this one.
Don't care about macabes.
Nobody not eat no jumbilin.
Well, I know that I will have to buy a lot more than I bought this time for this big family.
And the for you
Because
know.
really and truly, I know I don't have less than 4 or 5 when I sit down with black mango.
Yeah man, so it's for
you really have to really have enough. Heavy?
Tim, what's the reasonable amount of blacky mango to have in one sitting? What is reasonable?
Oh God.
Me say 4 to 5.
Me agree with that.
I know some people are gonna say 5 dozen
No.
or 10.
That's not possible.
Oh, you mean that not possible? To eat dozen? MTM, talk to mommy.
One sit down.
Talk to mommy. Mommy, I say it's not possible for eat. Sometimes the blacky them little.
Well, that is true.
Easy for mash up even half dozen to a dozen.
But you got Ivy mashing up 3 right as well.
Look at Ivy that eat 3. Simply means a big man can.
Quietly just having your mango. You're not being distracted at all. No, yeah. Oh dear.
Did you like the gym? I said, yeah, I liked it. She goes, okay, but don't go again. You'll get lost.
No, but she tell me, say you going to exercise
That's right.
in the morning. Yeah,
That's right.
she say you going to the gym
Yeah.
and you going to do a little gymnastics.
Oh.
I said, mommy, the gymnastics.
Me. Very
I said,
well.
wow.
That's new.
I said, wow.
When Atlas come out the car, I miss Atlas.
Hi, baby, the booger.
If you're happy and you know it, say daddy.
Daddy.
Bye, Gams.
Alright, bye.
Watch her. Say it louder.
Bye-bye, sweetie. I see you later. I'm going to fill this up again.
Grandma says she does have 2 mango or 3 mango. Alright, Wayne, I'm gonna go bed. So, as I mentioned to you all earlier, this is the street.
Just that pick up now.
I know I have a line in the screen that tell me now. As I was telling you guys, I am on my way. Did I tell you that I was gonna do an eye appointment, an optician? Yeah. I don't know. Me, I go check out my eye then because let me tell you something about getting older. It's real. And let me tell you something about being in your 40s. The first thing I think that's gonna go is your vision. See me, I look on things.
Yeah. Tami, you think I know it bad? I in the morning when you just wake up.
Oh my God.
Your eye get blurry.
I don't even bother try look, Wayne. It has been, but what I'm noticing now and what has prompted me to really go and check is even just looking out, I'm getting some, I don't know how to describe it, but something is, I don't think 100%. Wayne said to me that he wanted to get his eyes tested, but I did not make an appointment for him. So I'm hoping that when we get in there, I can just see if they have an available appointment and see if he can get squeezed. Because I think Wayne needs to be wearing glasses full time.
Oh.
Wayne, you wear the readers all the time. All the time. He looks out and about, and the readers are not for that. Readers are for reading. So I know that maybe you should be wearing glasses.
Them in between reading.
I know, but it might be time for glasses. Some people just wear glasses. Or
I try to mash up my image, you know.
Image? You don't know to do the image?
Well, you say I can get a nice way then the young boy shades, young boy frames to me.
I mean, you kind of push it with the young boy thing, but just get a nice pair of glasses. Why everything have to be young? Afraid to get old? I'm not scared to get old. We gotta get older. What a privilege.
I'm afraid, but I'm not old before I'm old.
Yeah, but you're not old. But I'm just saying you are also older. So we shouldn't try to be, 23.
You know what me more ask? I always hear people talk about LASIK.
I just mentioned that.
I want when name some.
When them do the laser in your eye.
Laser? So people here and now, we need real testimony from people who have done it.
People do it well.
So MTM family, talk to me if it's something where you feel like say is him, and of course it's not everybody eligible or is
Right.
a fit for it, but those who have done it, please to tell me if it's something where it's a whole new world.
Afraid.
Or if there is repercussion, or if me no know.
Oh, my glasses.
I get blurry.
It's a far. Alright.
Where were they?
I don't do so.
Way down. Alright.
You can't park anywhere down there. I'm not gonna park it myself. Alright, let me go to this. He just stopped off to get some lunch. Pops is actually going to be joining us because I haven't seen him since I came back. So he's coming here shortly. We're done with the item now. Time for test with belly.
Yeah.
So, and we don't have any pickups right now. So, but we are going to have to do something with Miss Ivy and Ozzy and Atlas later. Hi. Mama. How are you?
What bigger boss?
Hi, Dad.
You know we don't do that in public.
You okay?
For call Papa Chin, Gigi have a bone to pick with you and not feed it. Look how him draw down. Look how him draw down. When you go and clear Europe and come back. I make the man slim down.
I'm not eating as much.
I forget it back on track, Mr. Chin.
We went to go do our eye examination and they had to do a blood glucose test. Because they said that if your blood glucose is, if your sugar drops, it actually changes your prescription.
Yes.
If the blood sugar low, time to eat from morning.
So me can't go to the body count for 75 this year. I'm not still a read.
Yeah.
Mark your.
You don't use readers?
Yes. I can't before that Thursday.
Yeah, but you're squeezed.
Yes, I'll be.
No, but 75, him still about good.
That's
Still
good,
about good, me not lie.
So, but no, we're gonna start Tuesday. Try and get glasses.
Yes, they said don't get the readers.
Alright, so just got back from studio and I'm gone again. Actually, me have a little flex for gonna make. Same work related, but I'm gonna do this mission solo. Tami, you gonna stay here with the kids, right? Yeah.
Gonna go check on the babies.
See you in a little. Alright.
This is Wayne Marshall and I'm here at the legendary Sabina Park grounds, basically on the eve of the test match between Australia and West Indies. People, I'm looking forward to this because a couple things happening, a couple big things happening. It's the first day and night test match in Jamaica. It's the first pink ball cricket match. There are another couple big takeaways that you need to know. Anybody 16 years or younger comes into the grounds free. So you can bring out all the kids them enough to worry about ticket prices, just pay for the adults and the kids them come in free if you're 16 and younger. Right now it is pre-training for the West Indies. I'm going to see if I can talk to some of the players, find out what their thought process is, what they're focusing on for this third test, because we are looking for a big win in Jamaica. We are looking for it down there because the first two test matches pretty close, but I feel like Jamaica is where the luck are gonna be. So make we go catch up with some of the guys. What I said to the Jamaican fans them who I think about for come out of cricket Saturday and Sunday. Rally around the West Indies. Rally around the West Indies. Right there, so you heard it from Mr. Chase himself. And anything where Australia put up, we have to chase it down. Yeah, that is it.